In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the new Cascading Code Lists feature. This feature allows you to set default filter criteria in your code lists. You can set the filter criteria for each code list value to determine the conditions under which this value will be available for selection in data entry. First, let's take a look at entering new data without any filter criteria set up in your code lists. We can select any of our studies. Select the appropriate volume unit for our volume, and choose this file's material type. For each of these fields, you must select from the entire code list available for that field. Let's set some filter criteria for some of these code list values. Navigate to the Code List Manager, select the Lookup Material Type code list, you'll notice a new column called Filter Criteria. Let's select saliva from our example and double-click the Filter Criteria cell for that value. The Specify Filter Criteria dialog will open. Let's say that we only want saliva to be an available choice for certain studies. Select the study field on the left side. Select the studies on the right-hand side to which this material type belongs. Select Add to Search Criteria, then select OK. The filter criteria is displayed in XML format, but if you look carefully, you can see the search criteria field and value which this code list value will appear for. You can also use mass change to edit the filter criteria for multiple values in the code list. Let's say our blood vials only come from certain studies. Highlight all the blood values, right-click the filter criteria and select mass change. Select the ellipses to open the Specify Filter Criteria dialog. Enter the studies which these material types will be available for. And select OK again. Now I will continue adding filter criteria to all the values in this code list and commit my changes. Now let's open the Lookup Volume Unit code list. We can select the material types to which each volume unit value is applicable. For a better understanding of how these filter criteria work, let's open a new data entry batch and test. We can select the same study that we selected at the beginning of this video. And when we open the material type code list, we will only see saliva as a value, since that is the only value in this code list which is filtered to enable it for this step. If we open the volume unit code list, we can see that our selection is also narrowed here. These are the values which either did not have any filter criteria set or which match the filter criteria we selected for them. For instance, milliliter, liter, and microliter are all enabled for the saliva material type. And since we have selected saliva, we will see them displayed here. To see all possible values, select the Limit Values checkbox at the bottom of this dialog. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at bsifeedback@imsweb.com.